Hi, I'm Carla from Flowingcreek, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Happy Halloween Creepy Spider layered paper greeting card. You can get the files for this project from my Etsy store. I'll put the link in the description. Here are the supplies you need to make this project. You will need some cardstock. I'm using 65-pound cardstock. These are the colors I used. I'm using black paper and dark purple paper. The red paper comes from the Recollection Spice Market paper pack. I'll link to it in the description. For the card base, I'm using white cardstock, but you could use any color or even a pattern if you like. Okay, so let's make the project. If you already have your card base, I recommend hiding the card base layer because you will not need it. Today, I'm using my Cricut Joy to cut out this project. I'm going to just briefly show you what the project looks like in the software. This project is designed to work on other cutting machines too. Through the magic of video, my pieces are cut and ready for this project. I like to dry fit my cards so I know which side needs glue and which way I need to assemble the card. I'm using this glue dispenser I got on Amazon. It lets me put nice small amounts of glue on my paper. The glue I'm using is the Aleene's Tacky Glue from the dollar store. You can use whatever glue you prefer. I like this glue because it works well, it dries clear, and it is not expensive. I'll start gluing these pieces and assembling the card. I decided to add some extra creepy spiders to decorate this card. They are included in the file. I made them black, but you can make them whatever color you like. So that's it. The card is done. Thank you for watching my tutorial today. If you enjoyed this project, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. To download more projects like these, visit my Etsy store or visit my website at flowingcreek.com.